Hey guys, wanna master formatting in WhatsApp like a pro? Follow this simple step-by-step tutorial. Now let's get started. Firstly, open WhatsApp on your device and when landed on the chats page, enter any chat where you wanna master all of the formats. Now click on the message field right here and let's begin with the bullet points. Now go to the signs right here and click on the dash icon right there. Now click on the spacebar at the bottom and enter any word, for example, bullet. And as you can see, the dash was converted to the bullet point. Now let's just send this message to simply continue the tutorial, and pretty much let's move forward with the numbered list feature. So enter any number, for example, I'll go with the 1 and give it a dot right next to it. This is a key factor. Now click on the space bar at the bottom and enter any word, for example, a tomato. Now click on the return option at the bottom right and this will continue the numbered list. Now again, click send to simply clean up the message field and let's finalize with the final call feature as so-called quotes. Now go back to the symbols keyboard right here and move forward to the next symbols keyboard. Here, choose the greater symbol right there. Click on the spacebar at the bottom and enter any word or any quote, like he said. And as you can see, it automatically created a quote mockup, so you can play around with it. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more tips.